Okay, so here we are, day 3 on the cabin on the lake. You can see this first coat I put down or on the walls yesterday. Now we're gonna put 2 more coats on today. I did the shower pan yesterday. This is what it looks like now. I just want to show you this. Because this is square, I had to twist this up after I did the pan so that today I could twist it up. So because it's a square drain, it obviously took some of that away. So we're gonna clean that up, and then we're gonna when we waterproof, we'll waterproof down there, and I'll talk more about that another day. But here we go, we're gonna do some more membrane today. Okay, so I'm putting on the second coat right now, and I'm just using a paintbrush. I just want to kind of show you all I'm doing is just rubbing it in the corner. I'm not trying to make it too thick. Just light coats because they dry quick, and then you can add more. Now I wanted to show you, I'm going to do something, we'll talk more about it. I'm not going to put in the bottom row today of tile. We're going to actually use a ledger board. We're going to come up around, we're going to put some ledger boards on, I'll go over that with you, and then we're going to let this pan dry a few days, and then we'll come back and do the bottom row and the pan with tile. But before that, obviously, we're going to waterproof it, but I just wanted to kind of go over that and tell you what some of the steps are here. So I'm going to keep waterproofing. I do my corners first, and then I'll come and do my roller. Okay, so you can see I already went again with the paintbrush. Now I'm just taking my roller, dipping it into the bucket. And now I'm not trying to push super hard and kill it. I'm just letting the roller do the work. I could use 2 fingers here, you can see. Okay, so that's what you want to do. Just up and down nicely, get it nice and even. Again, I'm not going all the way to the floor, I'm just stopping a little bit here. Now this is just a standard paint roller, it's got the 3/8 inch nap, so that's really what you want to use when you're spreading membrane with a paintbrush. It goes on nicely. This second coat especially starts going on better, and then that third coat, that even really goes on a lot easier. The other nice thing, another reason why I do this all over is because not only is this waterproof membrane, it works as an anti-fracture, and also it protects against mold and mildew. So why not do the whole thing? It just makes sense to me. Okay, so like I told you, when I floated the pan, I had this turned down all the way, and then I brought my pan all the way to the top of this drain, and then when I was done with this area, I screwed it up, because you have to bring it up so now it'll be level with the tile. You need to have adjusting there. Plus, you want to be able to pull it out so you can waterproof it. I'm not going to pull it out right now, but I am going to kind of clean it up a little bit right now. So I just take my little tuck knife here that I call. You can get this in the carpet department of Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards even has them. Not quite like this. This is one of the best tools that I own. It's multi-purpose. I use it for everything. Anyway, I'm just going to scrape this away, and then I'm going to vacuum it out real good. And now remember, this is going to get filled with thin set, but I will waterproof it first, and we're going to pull this out and waterproof it all the way down to the PVC pipe so that we have 100% waterproof, or 100% waterproof shower. No, I'm still waiting for this. I did this about 20 minutes ago, and it's already dry to the touch, a little sticky. We're gonna let this dry for about an hour and put our next coat on. Pull this form out on this curve. This is really This is really high. Well, we're kind of thinking that we're gonna pull these out and shrink them down a little bit because they are so big. So we're just at the next day right now, so the thin set is still probably a little moist, or it is a little moist, so we're gonna take this off, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. Just gonna lightly tap. Pull it out. Now I'm just gonna clean this up. We're gonna figure it out, and then we're just gonna see what we can do to shrink this up a little bit, make it a little more friendly. All right, we're gonna shrink this curb up. I'm just gonna cut it down to 2 3/4. Just gonna draw a line. Probably all the way around it. Is that what you did in the last one, Brandon?
Yep.
Okay.
On
I'm gonna let Brandon take over from here, but we're gonna basically transfer that line all the way around, and then we're gonna cut it with the jigsaw. Okay, so obviously if you have a table saw, that'd be the way to do it, just get it in one rip, but we had to improvise